Good morning, students, and welcome for your next maths lecture. Now, students, you already know that we have completed our portion. We have completed all three chapters. Okay, so students, from today, we are going to revise what all we have learned. We are going to revise one by one. So, students, we will do the revision now. From today onwards, from this lecture, we are going to start with a revision. So first part is we are going to do revision on Roman numbers. First part, that is we are going to do revision of Roman numbers. In Roman numbers, whatever you all have learned, all that part we are going to revise it once again. So we will begin with our today's lecture. So first question is, write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Now students, I have already explained you all how to identify the Roman numbers, how to write them, how to recognize them. Already I have explained you all those 4 rules and which alphabets are being used while writing the Roman numerals. You all are very well aware about this, and this chapter, Roman numbers, is a very easiest chapter. Okay, so first question is write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. So we will see first international numbers and Roman numbers. While solving this question, you have to do 2 columns in a box. You have to make 2 columns. One is international numbers and Roman numbers. Okay, so in that, students, first part is that first you have to write international numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, and then Roman numbers. For Roman numbers, students, while writing Roman numbers, which alphabets are being used? That is I, V, X. Okay, till now you all have only I, V, X, and there are more L, C, D, M. Those you will learn further, but till now you have to study up till these 3 alphabets, that is I, V, and X. Okay, so first is international number is 1 and Roman number is single I. Roman number is single I. So the value of I is what? 1. Okay, the next number is 2. So value of number 2 is double I. It has been recognized as double I in Roman numbers. Then international number 3. The value of an international number 3, the Roman number is triple I, that is 3 times I. That is 3 times I. Students, after this, keep in mind that you cannot repeat I for 4 times. Consecutively, you cannot repeat it for the 4th time. You have to use it up till 3 times. Okay. So, for 1 it is single I, for 2 it is double I, and for 3 it is triple I. Okay. Then students, next is international number 4. For 4, the Roman numbers and the value is I and V. The value is I and V. Okay. Fifth is international number 5. So the value is what? Only V. Value is V. Sixth is international number 6 is, for that the value is of Roman number, that is V and I. That is V and I. So students, I have already explained you all the 4 rules and how to recognize the international numbers. Okay. Next number is international number is 7, and for that Roman number it is V and double I. Okay. Then international number is 8, and for that Roman number is V and triple I. Okay. Then next international number is 9, and for that Roman number is I and X. And next international number is 10. for that Roman number is x, single x. Students, this is up till 1 to 10. We have to solve up till 20. So next is 11 to 20. Okay. So international numbers and Roman numbers. Again for 11 it is x and I. For 12 it is x and double I. 13 it is x and triple I. 14 it is x, I and v. 15 it is x and v. 16 it is x, v and I. 17 it is x, v double I. 18 it is x, v triple I. 19 it is x, I, x and 20 it is double x. Now students, from 11 to 20 pay attention. Whenever you are solving, doing or writing 11, it is 10 plus 1 is 11. So same way in Roman numbers, 10 plus 1 is 11. So the value of 10 is x and value of 1 is I. So it is x and I 11. Okay. For 12 you can see it is x and double I. So that is 10 plus 2. So value of 10 is x and value of 2 is double I. So it is x and double I. Now 13 it is x and triple I. So 10 plus 3. So value of 10 is x and value of 3 is triple I. So it is x and triple I. 14. So 14 it is x, I and v. So 10 plus 4. So value of 10 is x and value of 4 is I and v. So it is x, I, v. Value then is 15. The value of 15 it is x and v. So it is 10 plus 5. So value of 10 is x and value of 5 is v. So it is x and v. Then 16. 16 it is x, v and I. So it is 10 plus 6. So value of 10 is x and value of 6 is v, I. So it is x, v, I. Then 17 it is 10 plus 7. Okay, so value of 10 is x and value of 7 is v double I. So it is x, v double I. Next is 18. 18 it is 10 plus 8. So value of 10 is x and value of 8 is v and triple I. So that is x, v triple I. Then it is 19. So it is 10 plus 9. So 10 plus 9. So value of 10 is x and value of 9 is ix. So it is xix. And 20 it is 10 plus 10 is 20. So value of 10 is x and another value of 10 is x. So it is double x. Understood? So students, before proceeding further, I would like to read again those 4 rules to make it more easier. Rule number 1 is, if either of the symbols I or x is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. That means if the symbol I or x is repeated for 2 or 3 times, so whatever addition is being done, that is the number they make. Okay. Rule number 2 is, the symbols I or x can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. The numeral v is never repeated consecutively. In rule number 2, what they are telling is that symbol I or x, you can repeat it for 2 or 3 times consecutively. Okay. But symbol v, you cannot repeat it for 2 or 3 times. It is being used only once in one Roman number. Then next is rule number 3. When either I or V is written on the right of the symbol. Rule number 3 is, when either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. If the symbol I or V is written on the right of the symbol of any bigger number value, then that value is being added to that value of that bigger number. Okay. So now here students, next rule is rule number 4. Rule number 4 is telling us that when I is written on the left of V or X, when I is written on the left of V or X, then its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. Rule number 4 is telling us that when I, symbol I is written on the left side of V or X, when symbol I is written on the left side of V or X, then the whatever is that value of symbol I, that value is subtracted from the value of V or X. Okay. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before V or X. But make sure that symbol I is only written once in front of, on the left side of V or X. It is not written more than once. You have to write the symbol I in front of V or X only once. So students, these are 4 important rules for this chapter, and these 4 rules if you'll keep in mind, so then this, to recognize the Roman numbers, it will be more easier for you all. Okay, so we have completed this first question. We have written all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Now let us proceed towards further question. Next question is, write the following numbers using international numerals. The question is, write the following numbers using international numerals. So students, they have given us the Roman numbers, okay, and we have to write, we have to identify these Roman numbers, and we have to write the answer in international numerals. Okay, we have to write these Roman numbers into international numerals, and they have not given us sequence wise they have merged it and they have given us. So let us solve it. So first is V. So what is the value of V as an international number? Yes, it is number 5. Value is 5. Second one, it is V and double I. So what is the value of V? 5. Very good. What is the value of 2? Sorry, double I, it is 2. So 5 plus 2, it is 7. So this Roman number is an value of which international number? 7. Very good. Third one, it is only X. X means what is the Roman number? Sorry, what is an international number for the value X? It is 10. Very good. It is 10. Fourth one, it is X and triple I. So what is the value of X? 10. Correct. What is the value of triple I? 3. Very good. So 10 plus 3, it is 13. Absolutely. So the value of this Roman number X and triple I, number it is number 13. Okay. Now students, fifth one. Fifth one, it is X, I and V. First we will go with the first Roman number, that is X. So what is the value of X? It is 10. Correct. What is the value of I and V? 4. Very good. So 10 plus 4, it is 14. So the answer is 14. Sixth one, it is X, V and I. Again, value of X is 10. Okay. And value of VI, it is 6. So 10 plus 6, it is 16. Yes. So answer is 16. Now here students, seventh one. Seventh one, it is X, V and triple I. Okay. So first it is X. So what is the value of X? 10. Very good. What is the value of V and triple I? 8. So 10 plus 8 is 18. So answer is 18. Correct. Eighth one. Eighth one, it is I and X. It is I and X. So first value of I is 1. Value of, but I is written in front of X. So you cannot add it. I is not written after X. I is written in front of X. That was our fourth rule. So you need to minus the value of I from value of X. So value of I is 1. What is the value of X? 10. So you will minus 1 from 10. So what you will get the answer? 9. Very good. So answer is 9. So students, in this way you have to recognize the Roman numbers and you have to tell They are international numerals. Okay, now let us proceed further towards our next question. Next question is fill in the empty boxes. The next question is fill in the empty boxes. Now what is that empty boxes? Let us see. Okay, so students, in this way the question is being given. This is the box format and there are some place which are being empty. So what you have to do is you have to fill it. So the question is fill in the empty boxes. So first it is number and next it is Roman numerals. Now students, they have given number in words. They have given number in words and below that you have to write its value in Roman numerals. Okay, so first number word it is 3. So what is the value of 3 in Roman numerals? Very good. It is triple I. It is triple I. Okay. The next one again they have given the Roman numbers and we have to write its value in international number. Okay, so the number is V and triple I. So what is an international number? Yes, 8. So you have to write the spelling of 8. So this is the spelling of 8. Next, they have given the number 6 and in words they have given SIX 6. So you have to tell its value in Roman number. Okay, so what its value it is? V and I, that is 6. Yes. Next is they have told us to write the number. They have given us the Roman number and the Roman number is X and double I. It is X and double I. So that is X means 10, double I means 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So you have to write the spelling of 12. Okay. Next they have given the spelling of 15. So you have to write its Roman number. So Roman number is X and V, that is 10 plus 5. It is 15. So 10's Roman number is X and 5 it is V. So X and V it is, and Roman number of international number 15. Next it is XIX. Next it is XIX. So we have to write its international number in words. So that is X means 10. 10 plus IX means value of 9. So 10 plus 9 it is 19. So you have to write in words 19. Okay, so students, in this way you have to fill in the empty boxes. They have given us to write in the number names in words, so you have to write it in the word format. Okay, and wherever Roman numbers are to be filled, you have to fill the Roman numbers. I hope this question is being clear to you all. Next question. Now let us solve the next question. It is write the numbers using Roman numerals. Now we have to write the numbers using Roman numerals. Okay. So here now they have given us an international numbers. We have to write its Roman number. Before what we learned, they have given us the Roman numbers and we have to recognize and write them into international numbers. But now students, they have given us the international numbers and here we have to recognize and write them into Roman numbers. So now let us begin with the first one. Okay, so first one students, it is number 9. So its value is in Roman number it is INX. Okay, second it is 2. So its value is double I. Okay, third one it is 17. So its value is XV and double I, that is 10 plus 7. So 17. So X plus 7. So that is 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay. Fourth one is number 4. So its value is INV. Fifth one is 11. So its value is x and I. So that is 10 plus 1. Okay. Sixth one is 18. So its value in Roman numbers, it is x, v and triple I. So students, in this way you should be aware about the Roman numbers of these international numbers, and in this way you have to solve this question. Okay, let us see further. Now students, your homework for today. Let us see what's your homework for today. There is no homework today. Students, you just have to practice the sums and revise this first chapter, that is Roman numbers. So students, you might be happy as teacher hasn't told you all that there is no homework today. But that doesn't mean that you are not going to do anything. Your homework is that you have to practice the sums and you have to revise this first chapter. So this is your homework. You have today, after finishing your lecture, after completion of your both the lectures, the thing which you all have to do, the homework is that you have to revise this whole video. You have to again and again revise the concept, the method which is explained to you all in the video. Okay, how to recognize the Roman numbers, how to use those four rules while writing the Roman numbers. All those things you have to revise it again and again, and that is your homework for today. You just have to revise it at your home in any of your rough book and just practice the sums. That's your homework for today. So students, with this we are going to end our today's lecture. Okay, and next part we will continue in your next lecture. So thank you.